G'day guys, Calvin, Cartoon in New Zealand. Just doing other jobs and bits and pieces and sorting out a wiring loom on this VVTi. But I've taken just a moment to hook this non-VVTi ECU apart, to have a quick look at it, get a bit of a record before it goes onto the repair list to get sorted. So it's a fairly common one we see, which is a JDM Celsius, so 50241. See, that lid's looking okay. That seems like a totally irrelevant fact at the moment, but we'll see a bit more soon. And it's got these wires that will run in. See, these wires are just, yeah. How about we use a plug? How about I got a box of plugs for them? How about we use the proper plug? And one of the reasons for using the proper plug is so when the man touches it, that wire doesn't fall off. How good are these ones? Well, that one's nice and strong, but big blobby solders. Oh, that one's actually okay. Oh, these ones are taking a hiding. So those... Oh, that one's not. Watch that. Watch this one. Whoop. Yeah, not good. It's okay, I've recorded where they go. We're sweet. So I've got the proper plug. That's good. This ECU isn't doing what it should. And I'm going to give it to the repairman. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to send it down with this cover, like this. But underneath is that cover. That's the proper cover that was on it. Look at that. Oh, awesome. Fortunately, it's just got the normal couple of leaking caps, a bit ugly, and there'll be corrosion down the side where that is. Right, let's put it together. Put it on the repairman's bench. Back together there. And look, the nice clean cover is screwed over the shitty cover it's underneath. He'll be surprised, and the wire's hanging out like that. Not clever. So this ECU's been come back from the repairman. It's engraved up, show that it was done. What have we found? There was corrosion that had leaked from the caps onto the board. So on initial look, it didn't look too bad. You could just see at the base of the feet of the caps, there was just a little bit of gunge starting to happen. Once we got in there, it was much worse. It's had to have some tracks cleaned up and tidied through here. So particularly bad under there. It's had some tidy done. Caps have all fitted up nicely. Soldered in. Checked over, good to do its job again. You can see particularly in this area where it's had a bit of a tidy up. I'm seeing this quite a bit where guys look at their ECUs, they say they look perfect, mustn't be the problem. You've got to really look right at the base of those caps. Discoloration of the legs is the very first sign. And often you get in there and there's dielectric fluid leaking out. You touch it, it comes out on your fingers. When it looks like that, it's a sign that there are issues, but this one was really lucky. That didn't actually cause as many problems in there as I expected. I do have another lid. Oh, this one's been labelled as well. And it did confuse the man that it had two lids on it. This one was hidden underneath, like I thought it would. I must forgive him because he is Australian. He's in New Zealand, but he's originally from Australia. And I do give him shit for being an Australian. He gives me shit for being a Kiwi. So we're even. It's really important that these ECUs are done properly and checked properly. And I see it so often. These are failing all the time. So it's even better if you get it fixed before it's failed, okay? If you look at my bloopers video, there's some footage that came in from when we were doing the last ECU video, but get them fixed before they stuff out. It'll save you a lot of heartache on these. And it's more than just caps. There's cleaning of the board and stuff like that that's involved that sometimes you avoid if you do it early enough. So I hope that's been helpful. We'll talk to you again soon. Catch you later.